Summer holidays are officially just around the corner. School is out, the sun is shining, and every single parent in London is asking themselves the exact same question. How on earth am I going to keep the kids entertained for weeks without losing my mind? Or breaking the bank? Well, don't panic. We have the ultimate summer survival guide right here. Welcome to Splashy Land, located in the beautiful Barking Park, East London. This is your one-stop summer destination where you can turn a boring hot day into an unforgettable family adventure. No expensive holiday flights needed, just pure summer fun right in your backyard. When the British summer heat hits, there is only one place you want to be, cooling down at our famous outdoor splash park. Picture this, an entirely enclosed, safe water play area packed with interactive fountains, cooling splash zones, and massive tipping buckets of water. It is paradise for the little ones. They can run wild, dodge the water jets, and splash around to their heart's content. And for the parents, you finally get to sit back, soak up the sunshine, enjoy a fresh cup of coffee or a cold drink, and actually relax, while keeping a perfect eye on your happy kids. It's the ultimate way to beat the heat together. But the water fun doesn't stop there. Have your kids ever wanted to do the impossible? Welcome to our thrilling Walk on Water Balls. We literally put you inside a massive, safe, transparent, inflatable ball right on the water. It is hands down one of the funniest things to watch. Kids try to stand up, run, slide, and balance on the water. You will tumble, roll, and laugh until your stomach hurts, all while staying 100% dry inside. It is a brilliant, high-energy activity that completely challenges your balance and creates the best holiday memories. Is your child celebrating a summer birthday? Planning a party during the school holidays can be incredibly stressful. Let us handle it. Splashy Land offers ultimate summer birthday party packages. Your kids get full access to the water fun, a dedicated area for cake and celebration, and the best part, zero cleaning up for you at home. We take care of everything. We also believe that summer magic belongs to everyone. That is why throughout the holidays, we proudly run our dedicated Send sessions. We turn down the music, strictly limit the capacity, and create a calm, peaceful, and supportive environment. This ensures that children with special educational needs and disabilities can enjoy every single attraction safely and comfortably at their own pace. With all of our incredible attractions right next to each other, from the splash park and water balls to the giant bouncy inflatables and the magical unicorn lake, you can easily build the perfect summer day out. But remember, summer holidays are our busiest time of the year, and slots on beautiful sunny days sell out incredibly fast. Booking online is absolutely essential. Head over to our website right now, check live availability, secure the best ticket prices, and come dream big with us this summer. We can't wait to see you at Splashy Land.